Certainly. Let's focus solely on propositional logic in AI. 1. Knowledge representation. Propositional logic serves as a fundamental tool for representing knowledge about the world in AI systems. Knowledge is represented using propositional symbols that denote atomic propositions or statements about the world. For example, in a simple environment, propositions such as it is raining, the light is on, or the door is closed can be represented using propositional symbols. 2. Logical inference. AI systems use propositional logic to perform logical inference, allowing them to deduce new information or draw conclusions from existing knowledge. Inference rules such as modus ponens, resolution, and truth table enumeration are applied to derive new propositions based on known facts and logical implications. 3. Decision-making. Propositional logic aids in decision-making by enabling AI systems to evaluate the truth values of propositions and reason about the consequences of different actions. Agents use logical reasoning to select the most appropriate course of action based on desired outcomes and constraints expressed as propositions. 4. Problem solving. In problem-solving tasks, propositional logic is used to represent the initial state, goal state, and possible actions or operators. AI systems employ logical reasoning to generate solutions, evaluate solution feasibility, and ensure that solutions achieve desired objectives while adhering to constraints. 5. Uncertainty handling. While propositional logic deals with certainty, AI extends it to handle uncertainty using techniques such as Bayesian inference or probabilistic logic. AI systems reason about uncertain or incomplete information by assigning probabilities to propositions or using fuzzy truth values to represent degrees of truth. 6. Communication. Propositional logic facilitates communication between AI agents or between agents and humans by providing a formal language for expressing beliefs, intentions, requests, and commitments. Logical communication enables agents to exchange information, negotiate agreements, and coordinate actions effectively. In summary, propositional logic serves as a foundational framework in AI for representing knowledge, performing logical inference, making decisions, solving problems, handling uncertainty, and facilitating communication in various domains and applications.